Alright, welcome back channel. Today, this time we're going to do the you sneeze, you lose, right? So we're doing the same one because last time was way too short, and I actually don't know when to sneeze this time. You won't come to my house, but subscribe to me though.
Here's a shy little deer. Hello, dear.
Hello, big boy.
Rip.
Would you get these? Where'd you get these?
Oh my god. That worked. An extra one, an extra. Pickle!
Bro, that shit looks nasty, dog. Shit. Yo, take a lick.
I told my girlfriend to put avocado on her sushi.
Please subscribe, it would really help a lot. Only top at 5%.
Virus. All they wanna do is infect us. Run away. Virus. Never gonna like us, so we all hide. They think we are funny. They think we should be dead. So we try to kill them only cause they hate us. Virus. All they